do your customers really need to know about the product before they even use it? What the customers really need to know, and not just the kitchen sink and everything, right? Minimal information that will really help people grok what your platform is going to do. This means that there are things you can do to build excitement and interest before training ever arrives. What do your customers need to know about their own role? Do you need to educate your customers about the job that they're actually doing, their role, their function? And are there related concepts that are pivotal in making sure that customers can get value out of your platform? Sometimes, and these days more commonly, we're fundamentally changing the way they do work, like generative AI, or how do you use it? Well, you need to know something about AI before you start doing it. Any role has these fundamental things that are not product-based that help you learn to grow. So now that you know what to do before onboarding, let's click on the next lesson and learn how to stop customers leaving during product adoption.